Look at the morning markets. Tom Piotrowski, hello to you. How are we looking today?
Pete, we're actually anticipating a reasonable start this morning in contrast to the experience of the last couple of days where we've seen the market struggle as investors rotate out of more expensive bank stocks into more attractively priced resource stocks. So today the futures are pointing to an improvement of 0.5%. We've seen, I suppose, mixed outcomes in the Northern Hemisphere results last night. We've got a lot of earnings coming around the corner from big names like Tesla and Alphabet, and in anticipation of those numbers, where the bar is higher compared to the broader cohort, markets are just being a little bit cautious where the US experience is concerned. The Dow Jones up by 0.5%. We saw the S&P 500 ever so slightly in positive territory. The Nasdaq was conspicuous with the underperformance of technology names standing out last night. So the Nasdaq down by 0.4%. You saw the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index, which measures the performance of chip makers, down by around 1.6%. So there was a lot of earnings out last night, Pete. Organisations like D.R. Horton, which is the biggest home builder in the United States, navigating challenging conditions. You've got pretty soft conditions on the ground when it comes to new housing starts and the like, but they bettered all of that and the shares finished up by 17%. And I know you were quite fond of the meme craze when it was prolific not that long ago. We've got a new stock that has fallen into that catchment in the last day. A department store operator in the United States called Kohl's at one stage had its shares doubling in price this session on not much news, no news at all really, and it finished with a gain of 37%. So we'll be talking more about that group.
Is that artificial inflation? Is that in reference to GameStop? I remember that. That was a few years ago.
That's right, yeah. So it seems like we're back to that.
So who is it this time again, Tom?
Kohl's. So they're a department store operator. It's spelt with a K, so Kohls.
Gotcha, yes. Yeah, I thought for a moment you mentioned Kohl's, the shopping centre.
Yeah.
But not that one. Okay, well, keep an eye out on that one.